सेकेंड इनिंग्स, अभी लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि मैं अभी से सेकेंड इनिंग्स की क्यों बात कर रहा हूँ। तो मैं तो ये बोलना चाहूँगा कि सेकेंड इनिंग्स तभी नहीं शुरुआत होती है जब आप एक उम्र क्रॉस कर लेते हो या आपके लाइफ में कोई एक घटना होती है और फिर आप चेंज करते हो। बट सेकेंड इनिंग्स तभी से चालू होती है जब आप दिल की सुनना चालू करते हो। Hi, I'm Viresh Loni. I'm the founder and CEO of Soundmonk Music. I run a musical instrument store and I run a music school. So I started off with my life's first innings as any other college pass out, was good at studies. So, and also continued pursuing my music from a very early age. Learned it just for hobby or to impress friends and do performances and shows. But because, like if I was good at studies, you're always expected to choose mainstream fields. Anyways, I went ahead and finished my engineering and took up a job. Now that's when you realize what real world is, when you take up a job. A major portion of my day was spent doing something that I don't enjoy. Still, it was paying my bills. सो जॉब की सैलरी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, लोन्स रीपे करने हैं, तो करते गया बट कब तक आप करोगे जो चीज़ आपको दिल से पसंद नहीं है। सो वन फाइन डे आई जस्ट डिसाइडेड आई एम गोइंग टू क्विट माई जॉब एंड परस्यू म्यूज़िक फर्दर। तो बढ़ते हैं सेकेंड इनिंग्स की तरफ। आगे क्या किया जाए, कुछ तो कॉन्क्रीट प्लान होना चाहिए। म्यूज़िक तो है बट बिल्स भी पे करने हैं, पैसे भी कमाने हैं। तो जितने भी मेरे स्टूडेंट्स थे उनको मैंने बताया कि मैं मेरी म्यूज़िक स्कूल चालू कर रहा हूँ एंड वी स्टार्टेड द फर्स्ट म्यूज़िक स्कूल विच वाज साउंडमॉन्क स्कूल ऑफ म्यूज़िक, जहाँ पे कुछ एक स्ट्रक्चर, एक फॉर्मलाइज्ड वे से हमने कंपनी स्टार्ट द म्यूज़िक स्कूल एंड आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट माई स्टूडेंट्स टू कम। सो आई एक्सपेक्टेड अ ओवरवेलमिंग रिस्पॉन्स एंड आई एक्सपेक्टेड all my students to join. But the moment I announced, there was a very poor response. To an extent that I started feeling afraid that, what have I done? Now I have nothing else to do. I have quit my job and the only source of income that I had, which were my students, I have lost them too. Still, there was some part inside me telling me that if you are good, people will sooner or later appreciate your value. So as we moved ahead with the School of Music, we started doing really well and we started various verticals. From just a guitar teacher, now I was the founder of Soundmonk School of Music. When the school started doing really well, that's when I realized that this is my true purpose and my true calling in life. So now that the school was all launched and set, I started exploring options of expanding further. So we started new verticals. From a guitar school, it became piano, drums, vocals. So we just kept expanding and growing the school even further. That's when I saw a little bit of an opportunity somewhere. I realized that all my students are going to other stores and buying their instruments. That's when the eureka moment came and I thought, why not start a store? But where are the funds? That's when my education came into the picture and I decided that I will start the online store. We launched the soundmonk.com. We went on opening various retail outlets, helping musicians buy their right music gear. So guys, the journey has been fantastic so far. Looking back, I can tell you I'm enjoying my second innings. The only reason because I cut short my first innings very early in life. I found my passion, I planned, I took the plunge. The very important aspects which I understood so far is you need to be patient when you're pursuing anything. Once you're patient, you need to be determined that you want to do it no matter what, how much ever time it takes. And then there is no looking back. कामयाबी आपकी कदम ज़रूर चूमेगी. All the best.